Hi folks, so we're just here on a house that has got baseTherm liquid insulation. So we're just here doing the 1000 gauge polythene and perimeter strip. This is getting ready for the second stage of floor screed next Tuesday. When the underfloor heating goes down to it, perfect. This is the bigger 50mm white clip. A little bit of force, but absolutely biting to the insulation lovely. As always, we ask to stay off it for 4 days after the pour, just to let the insulation go hard. Those white marks that you can see are literally just the dust off boots of the polythene installer on site. But as you can see, all collars fully filled out and airtight as what it's supposed to be. All surfaces on this floor was fully encapsulated and pipes all fully sealed up with the liquid insulation. And where you can see very little tolerance along the edge strip. Levels are absolutely top notch, down to 50mm of screed on the top layer of our alpha hemihydrate. As you can see, nice solid job, ready for the underfloor heating to go down in the morning.